guys, welcome back to my video. How are you today? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the smoky eye look. So a week ago, I posted this photo on my Instagram, and some of you guys want me to do the tutorial on the channel. So that's what I'm doing today. And you guys gonna actually get 2 eye looks out of this tutorial. So before we start our video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And let's get started. I technically already have all my base on and my eyebrow and my lips, and I was using 3 of these from Real Technique. If you guys want to see, I will link the link down below. So start with priming my eyes, and today I will be using just concealer. This in shade light beige. It's really light compared to my skin tone, but that's okay. And the palette I will be using today is from Morphe, Dare to Create palette. And I did some DIY moment. I just glue all the shade names. You guys like it? So I will set my eyes with the shade Beige. It's just this one. And I will be using the brush from Coastal Scents number 7. Ouch! Next, I will do transition shade. I will be going to the shade called Scrub with Coastal Scent number 12. Now we'll zoom in. If you have eye shade like me, just don't afraid to pull the color up. And next, with the same brush, I will be going into this shade called Vibrant, doing the same thing. Moving on, we're gonna deepen everything up with hue here, with brush from Coastal Scent number 11. Next, I will go with Muse, which is the black here, with Morphe brush that looks like this. Oh no! Guys, I broke my black shadow. Oh, you gotta be really careful with this shadow. Oh, I'm sad now. I will start with inner corner first. And then I will do outer corner. And then with the same shade, I will go, now I will use Sigma E55. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I just use whatever left on my brush and then just carefully blend on the edges. And you see that the eyeshadow, even it's black eyeshadow, but it's not that black. So what I'm gonna do now, I will go into Smashbox Jet Set Waterproof Eyeliner. This is in shade Deep Black. And I will use Sigma E55 that I just used earlier. And I will just tap that. And then just put that on my lid. And you can see that it's just like boom, a lot darker. Before I go any higher, I will use the brush from Morphe, flat brush like this. And then I'm just gonna put that near my lash. And now I'm gonna try to bring that liner up so it get dark everywhere. Boom, you see the difference? And then I will set that with Mousse again. Now I'm gonna try to blend that harsh edges, and I will go into the shade Vibrant again. For my lower lash line, I will repeat the same step. I just quickly put Vibrant under my lower lash line, and then I just put the gel liner from Smashbox, and now I'm gonna smoke that lash out with Mousse. So this is the second look that you can get from this tutorial. And honestly, with this, you don't even need falsies. You just put on some mascara and boom, you're done. But I don't know, if you like the red lipstick with this, then okay. But if not, you can just put on some nude lipstick as well and you're good to go. And then for the first tutorial from my Instagram video, I will just put Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Trophy White. And I will use the brush from Sigma F70. But I need to spray the brush first. And then I will use Coastal Sand number 13 without setting spray. I'll put on some mascara and lashes and I will be right back. And this is the finished look. If you guys enjoy watching my tutorial, then give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I typically upload on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I love you guys so much. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye bye.